Lesson check. Eclipses. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1. A partial or total blocking of one object in space by another object is called comet, eclipse, revolution, or astronomy. Number 2. A blank eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly between Earth and the sun. Umbra, penumbra, solar, or lunar. Number 3. A blank eclipse occurs during a full moon when Earth is directly between the moon and the sun. Lunar, penumbra, umbra, or solar. Number 4. During an eclipse, the area of the shadow where the sun is only partially blocked is the penumbra, phase, rotation, or umbra. And number 5. True or false? There is an eclipse every month. True or false?